Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing the number plates today. So I have had problems with my cameras recently, so new camera, hopefully it all goes well. So far I've done the grills on the front. Placed the magnets for where I'm gonna put the number plates for now. Let's go to the back where I have slide it. Yeah, so all the grills are done for the back. I have put in the rear reverse light, but I haven't plugged it in yet because I'm waiting for the fog light that will be going just above the on the bash bar there. So yeah, so this is for the number plates. Yep, Ryuk, Death Note. If any anime fans are out there, so yeah, just put in 3 of those magnets and then they stick it on basically. And with this things there, hopefully that holds. Yeah, that's it. That's for that one. Yeah. Oh, and my lights got water in them still, so I've got to find another pair of these. I gotta try and get another pair of these, but yeah, this is what we've been doing since the camera's gone. So I do have the front one, which I have to make sure it sits perfectly. I think that should be it. So it'll mark out where I want them. But yeah, it's basically just get some. I cannot pronounce those magnets, those powerful magnets on Amazon. Just stick them there. I'm gonna either get some black nail polish to put it out black so you can see it when it's off, or I'll just get some spray paint and paint it off. Yeah, that should be the number plates on, and then all I'll be missing is the front lights. Do the headlights, and I think that would be it, so I can get it MOT'd with the headlights on, rear fog light headlights. Yeah, then we can when it's MOT'd, I can come back and then service it and start on the interior. Oh yeah, I still gotta put the rest, redo the air tank and the air suspension. So yeah, I think it's a send or no send. I think that's it. I'll try to figure out where. I should have really done these at the back first. Put them over here to the desk. Go. Now let's hope it all lines up properly. Put that in properly. And voila! I think that's it. One step closer. Boom, boom, boom. Now I can take that down and stick the magnets properly now. Now stick it. If I have black tape here, do I need to do? Yes. No. Yep, that's wrong. Yep, that's good. Something going to win it. That's okay still. Perfect, done. Fine on this side. Done. That's it. We have, when it kicks on and it's MOT and drive around, we're going to be putting a small sound system where one of the friends will build his own subwoofer out of the wind. We're going to go and see him. We're coming out. We're getting a nice little sound system. Nothing crazy, nothing sound like that sound like different stuff. Just something that we're going to have long drives, listen to good music. Oh, we're going to be hands free. We're going to go. middle one needs to move a little bit there. Do I have my loop? No, that's not going anywhere. It holds though. It holds. So yeah. Pretty solid. Yeah. Number plates done. With that done, take these off for now because I need to take the front bumper off again so that I can get ready to fit in headlights, which I need to go get at home. Check out the turbo, Precision 5558 turbo, HKS dump valve. Oh, I miss the noise this makes. We got new oil filter to change, we got oils to change, we need to test coolant to see if it's still good, brakes fluid and stuff like that needs changing. Re-pipe my airlift. Yeah. And yeah. This is it. We got this one. Wheels on. We're running 285, 35, 18s in the rear. And the fronts 265s, 35, 18s. Wheel specs for the front is 18 by 11. Yeah, 18 by 11.5, and the rear is 18 by 12. But yeah. Anyways, till the next video. Peace out.